Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article right here posted by the Notebook Check, and it talks about the Tesla Model 3 Ludicrous. Okay, so right now you know that on the Tesla website they only got two variations, which is the standard one and they got the long range one. And the performance, they've been talking about it, but here are some of the information that we have so far for the 2024 Tesla Model 3 Highland Performace. Okay, so here is the accelerations. We know that it's going to be 3.2 seconds from 0 to 60, and the top speed is 162 miles per hour, and the range about 310 miles per hour. And the total output of the horsepower is going to be over 600. That's with the new rear motors about 406, and the front one 212. And let's see, the price wise is going to be expected about 30% more than the base trim, so ranging about 55,000 all the way to 60,000. And it's going to be coming soon. So if you're waiting for the Tesla Model 3 Performance, hang tight, and it's coming soon. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions regarding about this, please leave a comment below. But then take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.